What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. The forthcoming Apple Watch Series 8's rumored body temperature sensor might be more capable than what earlier rumors had led us to believe. In the new edition of this Sunday newsletter, esteemed journalist Mark Gurman says that the Apple Watch Series 8 will be able to tell if someone has a fever. Earlier, it was reported the Watch 8's temperature sensor would only help with fertility planning. Unlike conventional thermometers, smartwatches cannot measure core body temperature and thus they must use an algorithm for determining someone's precise temperature. Gurman indicates that Apple has given the go ahead to the watch body temperature detection feature, and both the Water Series 8 and the rumored Rugged edition will be equipped with the sensor. The cheaper SE model is unlikely to have it. The feature apparently won't give you a specific reading but will be able to tell if you have a higher than normal temperature and make recommendations regarding talking to a doctor or using a dedicated thermometer. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5, which will compete with the Series 8 for the title of the best smartwatch of 2022, is also expected to have these features. Gurman indicates that this will be the Apple Watch Series 8's most exciting hardware feature. Per earlier rumors, the watch may have a similar chip to the Watch Series 7, which had a chip that was based on its predecessor's processor. Apparently, Apple is neglecting non-Mac chips because of its M series processors that power its computers and same iPad models. The new watch could also feature a brighter screen. It's not abundantly clear if the new variable will flaunt a flat edge design, but rumors do point in this direction. Other rumored specs include a new low power mode for apps and features an improved version of the atrial fibrillation detection feature, satellite capabilities, new watch faces, and more workout types. Thanks for watching.